Hello, my friends, it's John. Today we're gonna continue topic 3, lesson 3.3 4 as a factor, pages 121 to 126. Our objectives is to use what we know about multiplying by 2's and property to multiply by 4. You know, last week my uncle, he gave me an air pump. If you want, we can go to my home and try it on our bicycles. Okay. We have arrived. Let's go backyard. Here is it, the air pump. How many wheels do we have to inflate? We have 1, 2, 3.
No! Don't use this way! You have to use multiplication since we have the same bicycles here. Let me show you how you can use the multiplication. So, here I have 4 bicycles. Each bicycle has 2 wheels. So, I can read it as 4 groups of 2 or 4 times 2. Going back to my 2 times tables, I learned that 4 times 2 is 8. So, we have 8 wheels here.
Interesting. But we didn't learn the 4 times tables. So how about if you have a cars, how you can find the number of the wheels in this way?
Easy. Let me tell you. So, here I have 4 cars. In each car, I have 4 wheels. So, I have 4 groups, 4 wheels in each group. So, I can read it as 4 groups of 4 or 4 times 4.
And how to solve 4 times 4 since we didn't learn the 4 times tables?
Okay, so since we don't know the product of 4 times 4 because we didn't learn the 4 times tables, we can use the distributive property as we learned. So I can split the 4 into 2 factors, 2 smaller factors. So I will split the 4 into 2 and 2. Now, I will multiply the 4 with the 2 smaller factors. Now, the product of 4 times 2 from my 2 times tables is 8. Now, all what I have to do is to add 8 plus 8. And 8 plus 8 equals to 16. So, 4 times 4 is 16.
Wow, interesting. Do it with 7 cars.
Okay, here we have 7 cars. Each car has 4 wheels. So we have 7 groups of 4 or 7 times 4. Now, since we don't know the product of 7 times 4 because we didn't take the 4 times tables, we can use the distributive property. We can split the 4 into 2 smaller factors, 2 and 2. Now we have to multiply the 7 with the 2 smaller factors. 7 times 2 and 7 times 2. Now we have 2 equations to solve. We have 7 times 2 and 7 times 2. We know that 7 times 2 is 14 from our 2 times table. Now, all what I need to do is to add 14 plus 14, which is equals to 28. So, 7 times 4 is 28. Hope you understand. Come on, let's inflate the wheels of our bicycles. So, if you want to find the product of any number times 4 and you can't remember the answer, you have only to split the 4 into 2 smaller factors, 2 and 2, and then you can find the answer because you know the 2 times tables. Suppose that you want to find the number of eggs here. You can write a multiplication equation. Remember, to write a multiplication equation, you have first to find the number in each group times the number of groups. Then you can find your answer. So here we have 6 eggs in each group times the number of groups is 4. So my multiplication equation is 6 times 4. Since we don't know our 4 times tables, as we said, we can split the 4 into 2 smaller factors, 2 and 2. Then we will multiply the 6 with the 2 2's here. Now 6 times 2, as I learned from my 2 times tables, is 12. So all what I need to do now is to add 12 plus 12, which is equals to 24. So 6 times 4 is 24.
Smart, Elsa. Thank you so much.
Thank you, my friends, for watching. Write me in the comments the product of 8 times 6. See you soon. Bye.